and welcome to Prime News. Now a look at the headlines. Government cannot probe illegal mining case solely on the basis of Justice Shah report. Justice Shah himself violated law while probing case, AG tells Prudent. Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar and Manohar Parrikar employed in Goa under Manrega scheme, crores of rupees scam under fake names. Six inmates escaped from Apnagar on Saturday morning, 3 boys and 3 girls. Ex-councillor blames authorities of turning inmates into hardcore criminals. Goa police failed to trace missing explosive ammonium nitrate weighing 13,000 kg from Kepe, asks NIA to take over case. NIA yet to respond. And GCA Women's Premier League 2020 semi-finals at Porvory. Tiswadi Angels take on Sankili Devils and Madgaon Super Queens clashed with Pride of Pedne on Sunday. Now news in detail. In his first interview to any television channel, Advocate General of Goa Atmaram Nadkarni clearly stated that Goa government will not act solely on the basis of Shah Commission report. The AG pointed out flaws in the report and stressed that Justice M.B. Shah should have given hearing to the mining companies blamed in the report. He also mentioned that government will consider Manohar Parrikar's PAC report and Supreme Court's CEC report while probing the illegal mining case. You can watch the full interview on Monday at 7:30 and 9:30 p.m. in Head On.
गव्हर्मेंटान कन्सिस्टंटली शाह कमिशनाचो रिपोर्ट कॉन्टेस्ट केलो आनी आतां ह्या सुप्रीम कोर्टा भितर ऑर्डरी भितर कोर्टानूय खंय तरी म्हणा की तांणी ज्या सॅक्टर्सांक हियरिंग दिवपाक जाय आशिल्लें सगळ्या सॅक्टर्सांक दिलें ना. So we cannot consider this report. Do you consider this as a victory of government of Goa?
Shah Commission has said. We will find out if that is the fact. 2, we will go by what the Public Accounts Committee has said. Because Public Accounts Committee has said much more than what the Shah Commission has said. Thirdly, CEC has pointed out certain irregularities, illegalities. So CEC, whatever they have recommended, those also will be taken into.
The consistently government of Goa has been anti-Justice Shah Commission report.
No, government has not been anti-Justice Shah report. But Justice Shah report to come to the conclusion 35,000 crores is lost. It doesn't go in this manner. There has to be some finding, there has to be some rationale, there has to be some logic. Firstly, Shah was himself a Supreme Court judge. He knew 8B and 8C. Why the hell did he not hear those parties? Why? Commission of Inquiry is formed by the government. You are paid by the government of India. Are you not supposed to do your duty in accordance with the law? Should you have not heard the parties? Nobody wanted to earn some brownie points. You could have heard them, given them notice and told them, this is the material against you. So just because you are a Supreme Court judge, retired Supreme, you can't violate any law and all. And government will not countenance this position. That is for sure.
Shocking but true. In Goa, Ricky Ponting, Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar and even CM Manohar Parrikar are employed under Manrega scheme of the union government. This has been revealed through government documents. These names are included as the beneficiaries of Manrega in Goa. Goa Parivartan Manch has got these details from the central government. Manch has complained about this scam to the President of India, Pranab Mukherjee.
Narega means Mahatma Gandhi National Rural Employment Guarantee Scheme. Under this scheme, rural poor gets 100 days guaranteed job. On paper, this scheme is meant for poor, but in reality it looks like a big scam. Parivartan Manch says the needy people are not getting Narega work in Goa. It's shocking to hear the celebrity names of beneficiaries of Narega in Goa. See to what extent the government officials can go to loot the state treasury. Bogus names of film stars, politicians, cricketers have been added as beneficiaries. As per the documents, these high-profile beneficiaries reside at Chimbal in Tiswadi Taluka. Not just the names of Ricky Ponting, Amitabh Bachchan, Sachin Tendulkar, Virendra Sehwag, Kapil Dev, Rahul Dravid, Saurav Ganguly, Kishore Kumar, Paresh Rawal, Amir Khan are added in the employment list, but even name of Chief Minister of Goa Manohar Parrikar is added as a person employed under NREGA. These are some of the fake names under NREGA.
The name of the applicant is Ricky Ponting, Rahul Dravid, Reshma Dravid, Arjun Dravid, Sachin Tendulkar, Donna Ganguly, Saurabh Ganguly, Priyanka Ganguly, Amir Khan, Manohar Parrikar, Meena Parrikar, Rahul Parrikar, Mrinal Parrikar. Then there is Kapil Dev, Amitabh Bachchan, Jaya Bachchan, Abhishek Bachchan, Aishwarya Bachchan, Teji Bachchan.
There are possibilities of more such fake names appearing under NREGA. State government officials make list of such names and loot the state treasury.
This is of the Ministry of Rural Development, Government of India. And the names against those serial numbers are all in Chimbel village. Applicant's name, head of household, Taja Fudeasa registration number. That means these people, these fictitious names as they appear to be, are registered with the government. म्हणजे आमचेकडे job cards asa.
Parivartan Manch has demanded inquiry into the scam. It could run into crores of rupees. Goa Parivartan Manch has given complaint about this scam to President of India Pranab Mukherjee and Governor of Goa Bharatveer Vanchu. They want to know who loots the state treasury for their own benefit. Our reporter from Panji Mahesh Ghadi with video journalist Devendra Gaukar.
After threatening ruckus on Friday, 6 inmates eloped from Apnagar on Saturday, 3 boys and 3 girls. On the other side, former councillor of Apnagar, Alan Mascarenhas, has pointed out glaring discrepancies and flaws in running of Apnagar. Alan says inmates are kept for months when legally each inmate's case should be disposed of within 4 months. There are no recreational activities or any educational drives in Apnagar, which forces inmates to become violent.
After the ruckus at Apnagar by few minor inmates on Friday, here comes another surprise. 6 inmates from Apnagar, 3 girls and 3 boys have escaped on Saturday morning. Authorities have once again failed to control the affairs at Apnagar. Former councillor Alan Mascarenhas, who was terminated on January, has revealed many shocking facts from Apnagar. He has revealed that Apnagar authorities are not interested in recreating and educating inmates at all. When he was there as a councillor, Apnagar was an ideal place for minor under observations.
I do not know till now. I have got my papers. I received a termination letter on the 1st of January 2014. I wrote back to the department, the director, that time the then director, Mr. Sunil Masurkar, asking a reason why my services have been terminated. The officer in charge has to conduct the management committee meetings. He has to call for the management, wherein vocational training, recreational facilities, all have to be given. Is there a TV in the institution? Are there been games conducted in the institution for the children? Are there any vocational courses been conducted during the holiday time? What are the children doing the whole time? Fully at fault, the top officers. Full 2013, had there been any escape or has there been any kind of destruction of property? Because the boys were busy, the children are busy.
Alan has also said that as per law, an inmate has to be relieved within 4 months after due investigations and formalities. But authorities have totally turned a blind eye to the rule book.
Why a boy or a girl is been kept more than 4 months, 6 months? Lately, for the last escape, there were some boys who have, one boy, it came on the paper, that was Nikhil, when I was there, he has been now for last 6 months. Why is he there for last 6 months? What is the reason? Because as per the rules, his inquiry has to be done within 4 months and he has to be repatriated. They have been admitted in IPHB and they have been kept more than the time. Even the doctors have sent reports to the JJB that they have to be taken back to the institute because they are fit now for discharge, but still they are kept. So will not this create some kind of frustration within the child? What does this implicate? Who is creating frustration now?
Sources claim that 2 of the 6 inmates who have eloped have been nabbed. Our reporter from Panji Mukesh Kumar with video journalists Omkar Farari and Chetan Gavas for Prudent.
It's time for a short break. Stay tuned.